My name is Sarah Kaylee, and in today's lesson we will learn animals. To see the meanings in Spanish, grab your guide and go to the lesson page. Remember to raise your intonation every time you see bold letters. Cat. My cat's name is Whiskers. Dog. My dog is very playful. Bird. Birds sing in the morning. Fish. I have a goldfish in my fish tank. Rabbit. Rabbits eat carrots. Horse. I love riding horses in the countryside. Well done! You have reached the end of the lesson. How did it seem to you? If you think you need to practice a little more, feel free to play this video again.